Welcome to Learning League.
Hey guys, so today we are going to make snow ice cream. Sophia's very excited. So I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna collect some snow, and then we will...
Just get it in the snow and then come back.
Okay, and then we will... Yeah, and then we will make our snow ice cream. All right, you ready?
Getting snow. See it? Coming some more sleep. And she's coming up. And I hands up, play my song, put 'em my way.
It is so cold.
I just the stuff. Watch when I do this. I make music. I don't know how that happens. But I'm jinxed. I don't know.
So we are making some snow ice cream. So we have...
Shake this.
Shake it.
Please. Make it cool.
Okay. We have 3 cups of snow, picked from our front porch. We have 1 cup of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of milk. We are going to make some ice cream. So, Sophie, why don't you go ahead
I'm James.
pour the sugar in
I'm James.
and start mixing. I'm going to pour the milk in.
Where do I do it?
Just pour it in here. Milk.
Can I do a little bit more sugar?
Yep. Do all that sugar that's in there.
All of that sugar?
All of that sugar. It takes a lot of sugar.
It's making ice cream.
And then I'm going to do our vanilla.
I think this ice cream is gonna make yellow ice cream.
Here, we're just going to...
Powder that.
All right, now stir it.
I think this is gonna be yellow ice cream.
And then we're gonna put some more snow in. Here we go.
Here.
Now stir that up. Good job. Ooh, snow ice cream.
Ready for the sprinkles. I'm opening the sprinkles in case we need to do sprinkles right now. Really cool. It looks like snow.
All right, guys. Ready to see the snow ice cream.
It's plain.
Right now, but we're gonna add some chocolate.
And some sprinkles.
Here is our snow ice cream.
That's my favorite part. Sprinkles.
Yes, sprinkles are the best.
Sprinkles are the best than chocolate, but sprinkles are really crunchy.
All right, so we are gonna put this in the freezer.
Yeah.
Just for a couple of minutes to let it set up.
Oh my! Like 1 minute.
Couple minutes.
And we're just gonna still be here.
And we're just gonna make a song. You ready?
Snow
Snow ice cream, snow ice cream. I love snow ice cream.
I actually like sprinkles. It's the okay. I'm done.
Sophie's decorating her her snow ice cream cone. You think it's gonna be good?
Yeah.
You gotta eat it before it melts, because it's kind of melty. Okay. Hold it over the bowl and take a bite. Is it good?
It's melting in my hand.
It is. Does it taste like snow?
It tastes like water.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to make my ice cream cone. What do you think, Sophia? Do you want to do this again?
Mommy?
Yeah.
When I get done with this, I want another scoop.
You want another scoop? All right. I hope you guys are staying warm today. It is freezing here. I'll post the temperature that we have today. It's snowing. It is awful, so we are staying inside, finding things to do like making snow ice cream. Say bye, Soph. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Parents, let's be friends on Facebook. You can find us at Learning League Kids.